Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the file storage feature in Zoho Project, the all-in-one project management tool. This is your full guide for 2025. Now let's start. The first step is to log into your Zoho project. This is the gateway to accessing all the features Zoho has to offer, including the file storage feature. It's the space where you can safely store and manage all project-related documents. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Files tab on the left side of your dashboard. This is your central hub for file storage. Now, why is this important? Well, having a central location for all project files makes it easier for team members to locate and access needed documents, enhancing team collaboration. Now that we're in the Files tab, let's upload a file. You can do this by clicking the plus Add File button near the top of the page. This button is your portal to adding new files into your project. The reason we do this is to ensure all relevant project files are stored in one place, making it easier to track progress and changes. After clicking plus Add File, select the file you wish to upload from your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Upload. This step is crucial because it's how you physically add files to your project. It's as easy as dragging and dropping the file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, you can categorize it by adding tags or placing it in a specific folder. This helps us because it allows for better file organization. You can do this by clicking on the three dots next to the file name and selecting Edit. Here you can add tags and move the file to a different folder. Now that we've organized our file, let's share it with team members. Click on the three dots again and select Share. You can then choose who to share the file with. This is key to ensuring all team members have access to important files, promoting transparency and cooperation. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded, categorized, and shared a file using the file storage feature in Zoho Project. Remember, better file management leads to more efficient project completion. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.